Hi friends, welcome back to my channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to enable use effects in video calls. If you're new here, don't forget to subscribe and give this video a thumbs up. Now, let's dive in. Step 1. First, unlock your Nothing phone and open the WhatsApp application. Once inside, you'll see the main screen with your Chats menu. Step 2. Now look at the top right of your screen, where you'll find 3 vertical dots. This is the menu icon. Tap on them. Step 3. Next, locate the Settings option and tap on it. Step 4. Now locate the Privacy option and tap on it. Step 5. Next, scroll down to locate Allow Camera Effects. Unfortunately, this is turned off. Step 6. For the last and most important step, select the Allow Camera Effects option to turn it on instantly. Now you can use effects in the camera and video calls. If you found this tutorial helpful, don't forget to give it a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel for more great tips. Thanks for watching.